So here in Illinois, I don't know which brood came out, but this is my front yard. And only the front part of this tree for some reason this plant's called widow's tears, and it's just covered with shells and the actual cicada. They're so tiny. 17 years ago we had a batch. I mean, this is only like an inch long. These are so much smaller. So they're only here. I got all these plants. All these plants. Nothing's bloomed, so everything looks green. And they're nowhere but just right here on around this tree. Oh my God, they're so creepy looking. And my husband said this morning there was a pile of headless ones laying on our porch, and I told him that was probably a squirrel. There's a couple over here. They're tiny. And then my